Connectedness, the evolving and deepening state of humans working and learning together in the maturing technology age. What follows is a reading of the final article titled Connectedness. In the EdTech Digest report titled State of EdTech 2026/2027, the minds behind what's now and what's next. Possibilities and opportunities. Connectedness. In an era defined by rapid change, our shared humanity, amplified by technology, is reshaping leadership, learning, and the future of schools. Final thoughts by Mark Gura. The cream that rises to the top of this report on the state of EdTech, even beyond advances in technology and ways to apply it, is the human impulse to share its wealth of discovery and realization, to bring others along, to help colleagues and clients find light when they need it. This is present in abundance. In every era, certain modes of living and working present themselves as of high importance. The moment we are sharing now reveals the undeniable pull of connectedness, something we continue to expand and deepen through the infrastructure we work hard on. Further, over the past few years, the role of leader has garnered interest and appeal and is discussed frequently with appreciation among educators. And likely, this is so in large measure because our tech-fostered connectedness has democratized the role. Peer leadership does not require traditional certification and designation. With increased access to powerful resources that enable voicing of ideas and their mass dissemination, peer leadership, practitioners sharing info and guiding others, has asserted itself and, through its authenticity, high impact. The media and communications technology that's evolved in the service of this has reached a very high level of ease of use and reach. This synergy of digital authoring resources, social media distribution, and AI to facilitate all aspects of the task flow of sharing info and opinion represents potential for meaningful change at scale as never before. The resulting buffet of offerings of guidance and information is overwhelming. Importantly, this is a means, not an end. There has been a through-line story running in the background for decades of moving from the traditional, industrial-era version of school to updated corollaries much more suitable for the post-industrial, digital information era and now, for the intelligence age, the cognitive revolution. The mass of easily consumed and distributed information and perspective that's facilitated by emergent technologies and ready for integration into the school learning environment is, no doubt, one of the principal drivers of the pace, depth, and breadth of change currently knocking on our door. This behooves educators to take notice, reflect, and act to keep pace with these developments and bring schools in line with the sea of change in learning opportunities they are immersed in. One final thought. Ironically, the pace and impact of current change is such that the state of education has updated itself during the time spent reading this report on it. That's the way our world now works. Have a good day. Please subscribe to this channel and see the notes below the video for a link to get a free PDF copy of the full report. Other items of interest as well.